will be a blustery day later. This morning, the winds are nice and light. On the satellite image, just a couple of clouds here or there associated with the front coming through. There are some showers, but those are well offshore, and they will not affect us, at least today. So the current setup, there's the front coming through. Behind it, high pressure building into the southeast, and this for us will create that northeasterly wind flow. So it will be a breezy day today, and temperatures will be coming down a few degrees. Yesterday, again, mid-80s, today upper 70s to right around 80, but eventually the winds will go easterly and then southeasterly, and as a result, we're going to warm things up as we head into the work week, right back into the mid-80s. But right now, temperatures behind the front much cooler, at least across the Panhandle and over towards Jacksonville, and some of that cooler air will make its way southward as the day goes on. Vipercast shows we'll have that northerly flow this morning, then the winds start to go northeasterly. By lunchtime, just a couple of clouds here or there, and that will be the story into the evening hours. And then for tomorrow, the winds are due easterly, and this is going to start to bring in a bit more in the way of Atlantic moisture. We'll have some clouds around and also a couple of coastal showers, about a 20% chance, so not everyone will see them, but a few coastal showers will push across the area as we head into tomorrow and into Tuesday. So for today, 80 in West Palm Beach. We're at 79 in Stewart, 76 for this afternoon in Vero Beach. Overnight tonight, it's going to be quite mild. Temperature 60s to almost 70 degrees in some spots. And here's the 7-day forecast. A mix of sun and clouds for today. It's a blustery day, 80 degrees. Still breezy tomorrow at 81. Much warmer as we head towards Wednesday and Thursday. That's when another front comes through and cools us down as we head into the weekend.